Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open Mito AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign up for free button in the top right corner, and you can either sign up with your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with my Google account. So click on it and complete the sign up process. After successfully signing in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on projects from the left sidebar and then select new project. Here you can create free AI images and AI videos. For this YouTube video, I'll go with create a AI video. So click on it. A new workspace will open where you can select various video models like Kling, VEO, and Seedance. For this tutorial, I'll go with Seedance and I'll choose this video model Seedance 2.5. You can also add a start and end frame, reference image or video if needed. Below that, you'll need to enter your prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Mito AI. Underneath, you can choose the video resolution, video duration, aspect ratio, and whether you need audio or sound in your video or not. And finally, click the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for Mito AI using your personal Google account or personal email address. It's completely up to you. With this free tool, Mito AI, you will get 3,500 free credits as a sign up bonus. With these free credits, you can generate approximately 5 to 7 free AI videos depending on the video model, video duration, and other settings you choose. If you want to create longer video content, once your credits run out, you can sign up again using a different Google account or different email address and get more free credits. This way, you can continue generating AI videos as long as the platform continues offering its free generation system or until it becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with Mito AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.